everybody, it's your girl Miss Yo-Yo of the Miss Yo-Yo Show. How's everybody doing? If you just stumbled to my channel, let me tell you a little bit about your girl. I motivate. That's right. Here at this channel you will find motivation to keep you going, organization for your mind, maybe even your home, and some good old downright great conversation to enhance whose growth? Our personal growth. Welcome to my channel. So you guys, before I go into the video, this is not the video. This is just a prelude to the video. So, oh, you're trying to figure out why I'm doing my lips like this? I'm just giving you guys some like pink lippy. Yeah, bring it in, bring it in. Yes, it's from MAC. And I'll have it in the description below because it's popping. Anyway, so this is the thing. I want to bring value to the channel, and I wanted to give you guys some research and some data. In my video that's coming up in a second, I was out there feeling really good, you know, and just out there talking, but I wanted to bring you guys the research and the data to it as to why nature make you feel like running a marathon. So I want you guys to check out these slides. At this time, I'd like to thank all of my members, viewers, and supporters. Thank you for the support and the love. I am humbled. At mind.org.uk, mental health and nature benefits are as follows. Nature can improve your mood, reduce stress, relax you, improve your confidence, activate energy, and boost happiness. Well, who would have thought that? No wonder when I go outside, I feel like running. Amazing, right? In the description below, you will find a full downloadable PDF that will give you all the benefits to nature and depression. In the PDF that you're going to read, there's something called ecotherapy. And this ecotherapy involves just being outside, doing outside activities that has really shown progress in your mood. Y'all ready for the video? Let's get into it. Hey you guys, so I'm out here in Michigan near Detroit. I am a Detroiter, but I'm out here, and what I want to talk to you guys about today is how to get out of the bed. During this pandemic, we have all suffered. Our mental health is suffering, and sometimes we find it so hard to get motivated. And that's why I'm out here without no lipstick or nothing. It's just me. It's just me. And I'm here to help you get out of the bed. I didn't know what I was going to do. I didn't know where I was going to go. I just knew I had to get out. Okay. I needed to get out of the house, period. And what I want you to do is just take one foot out that bed, take another foot out the bed, go in the bathroom, do your personal hygiene, and if you can't do your personal hygiene, then forget it. Just put on some clothes, anything. I want you to go out. I want you to experience nature. And I guarantee you, you will start feeling better. You will be able to breathe. Just get out of the house, go in your backyard. Whatever you do, just breathe some fresh air. And I guarantee you that will be your first step. Your first step to mental clarity.